All right, guys, y'all wanted a tour. By popular demand, here is a truck tour of our truck. We're gonna start out here. We've got the little side compartment that opens up. This is where we keep like our triangles, booster cables, cleaning supplies, straps, whatnot. We've got one on the other side. I keep stuff like extra coat, stuff like that. Now this right here, it's just a little dirty. I mean, I hadn't got down here and scrubbed it much, but that's how we lift our seat up when we need to. Lower it. Dashboard. This is all my wiring stuff. 2 GPS's. Bluetooth. Orson. My laptop, when Tasha's not with me, always stays in the passenger seat. Just so I don't have to move it around a whole big bunch. This is all of our controls. Let's see. You got just the different controls there. This is our ELD. This is how, when we start our day out, this is our 14-hour clock. Once we start our day out, this starts ticking. It doesn't stop till we take a 10-hour break or till that 14 hours runs out. This is our drive line. 11 hours per day. Most we can drive. 8 hours after we start this 14-hour clock, within this 8-hour period, we have to take a 30-minute break. That's our 70-hour clock. We've run through about half of it right now. Stereo, drinks, compartments. Keep our personal stuff in these compartments, you know, something quick to grab. This is where my CB would be if I carried my CB with me. This is where I usually keep my paperwork, as it's in my bills and stuff. My glasses, you know. My dashboard's a little junky, but it always has been. All right. This is where we keep all of our clothes. This is what we use the top bunk for. With me and Tasha both, you know, girls got to have a lot of clothes with them. And she has a lot of clothes. And we do have this drawer, you know, for when we're laying, put our drinks or whatnot on while we're watching TV. Or it's where I sit and do a lot of my editing work when I do get to edit stuff out. Cleaning supplies for when I'm not so busy that I can, you know, take a minute to clean the truck. Hammer stuff, vacuum cleaner. This is my air hose. Garbage can. Refrigerator. I don't have a lot in there, but I got a little bit. You know, enough to snack around on. Vinegar for my kidney stones, which I need to put some more Cokes in there now. I've got them under the bunk on the opposite side. Freezer. I've went through a bit of my food so far. Time to put some more stuff in there. I don't have that much. Fly. 32-inch TV. Now that thing will come forward, you know, it'll turn this away and it moves. It's not planted right there. Microwave. Got cookies and chips in there. That's for heating up noodles. Garbage bags for the garbage can. Noodles, paper towels, stuff like that. Same thing with the other storage. And then like my safety vest. Now this one is packed full of junk. This is where we keep all of Haber's stuff. He's got a whole drawer just for himself. Then we've got our drawers. And this is more food, which I just threw up here in the bags and everything. Usually I take it out of the bags, but cereal, Viennes, bread, spices, stuff to that nature. Then we've got back here, like our air unit, you know, when it's hot, flip that on, turns on our APU unit, blows air. Give it just a second, it'll take off. See, that's her. And like I say, I got a vacuum cleaner too. Now the fridge, see, I've been having problems with my fridge. Alright, see, we've got a regular plug. Well, we've got one behind the fridge too. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that that's what my problem is. I've been plugging it up back there. Got me a new fridge. Got the power surge. And I plugged it into the power surge. I'm hoping that's the problem. Hopefully we don't have to replace no more refrigerators. Hopefully. Now I do have another little cooker. Okay, see, this is a lot of Tasha's stuff, like what I use to shave my head. I use this for cooking noodles. Got it in the box still. It's just easier to maintain that way a little bit. This compartment is nothing but camera stuff. It's all my camera stuff, my drones. That's all this compartment is dedicated to. That's Tasha's compartment. It's dedicated to more of her stuff. But you know, like I say, girls got to have a lot of stuff. But that's it. Truck tour, top bunk. That's how you get up on the top bunk if you need to. Then you just push it back up. It's got little red buttons here. And it clicks right back up. That's all there is to the truck tour, really. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. We'll either catch you on the next upload or the next live stream, whichever one you prefer to watch. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Oh yeah, well, my seat now. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching.